a Dyson DC01 in blue, belonging to the mother of the lady who contacted me asking if we could give it a service. Doesn't work very well. Not quite sure why, just, chuck it at me. I'll have a look and let you know. So, let's have a look and find out what may or may not be wrong with this very clean, tidy, non-faded looking-ish Dyson DC01. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and Dyson chums. How are you today? Yes, this DC01 looks very clean, very non-faded, very tidy. I'm assuming it won't need much here. Just a light tickle, maybe a belt. It's already seen work as evidented by the washback sticker on there. I mean, who knows how old that is. It could be quite old, but yeah, she is certainly sporting a random replacement and a very shiny replacement one. Look, that's actually quite nice. But yeah, it's got a yellow cord hook. They obviously reused the blue, which is good to keep it nice, and it's a completely different colour to the rest of the machine, and not even due to fading. But the hose is original as well. So that's very nice indeed. Yeah, the stickers are in superb order, and because I'm probably not going to give this a full strip and refurbish, they're probably going to survive quite well. I think we should turn it on and see if that gives us any clues. We appear to have some sort of clog somewhere in the machine, somewhere that's affecting its ability to pull the suction. Well, let's have a look. Under here is, wow, that's not actually that full. That's okay. All right, it's had a new base plate as well. But unlike that scrappy, horrible DC01 that we did recently, it seems to work. I wonder if this is possibly a simpler issue. Yeah, it does just need a little bit of a service, some new filters, and she'll be grand. You know, needs a bit of a wipe down, bit of an empty, but yeah, the machine is in really good condition. We may as well have a quick shifty underneath it. Now that we've ascertained that it's totally fine, it just needs some new filters, and I can charge a nice bit of money for that. Smash. Yeah, I don't even think I need to do much under here, although saying that actually I might, because it could be clogged. Let's rip the base plate off. Wasn't that a good job we did, folks? Yeah, running like that with a completely full-up filter means that it's not been putting any of this away, so it's just going to be building up inside of here. So yeah, that all needs to come out of there. Sadly, we don't need to worry about Phoenix jumping into that and trying to eat it. I'll film with this very soon after 12 vacuums in 12 months, but I'm doing all right so far. I've not cried yet. So, yeah, this will all come out now. Ish. Blimey. No, wait. Wow. It's satisfying. There we go. That'll do-ish, I think. We'll do that. We'll give it a tip over. Flip it back round. And we'll call that fully rebuilt. I think that's all it needs. Yeah, non-genuine, original quality belt. Yeah, this machine's seen some love, and yeah, gonna see a little bit more, and it'll be fine. Right, so that's that. That's good. I'm gonna. Our wheels are good as well. I'm gonna get the damp cloth out now, really, and get this all right down. Get some new filters ready, and we shall have possibly the quickest refurb we could ever do. Well, that's one cleaner looking Dyson DC01. Phoenix would be proud. We can now take the last two filters from the other Dyson that we had before and pop them into here. And this is pretty much what's going to do all of the work. It's had a good clean. I've done all the seals in the cyclone as best I can. All the base plate stuff. You can go quite far with just a good wipe down. So we'll fit that. We'll fit this. And in theory it should sound a lot better. You turn it on and then recline it. There we go. Okay. Brush roller stuff. Whoops, but it's sorted itself out now. That slight waft of belt will fade, and yeah, it suddenly works a lot better. I've got to sort this out again now, so because I've got to sort that out again, we may as well use it some more because it's all got to be cleaned out anyway. There we go. That does quite well. That does work all right for a DC01. They're a bit meh. I'll be honest, nowadays I mean, you have to go deep inside of this to really clean it out, and we're not doing that. It doesn't need it. It's a little old lady's vacuum cleaner that she's probably owned, and this one has a date code on it, I did notice, from December 1997, look, 15th, probably the last week of that shift before they all broke up for Christmas. Had New Year off, and then came back and did 1998, which we've had a few Dysons from 1998. So I wondered, probably not an early one, is it? Although when did the blue ones come out? Dyson nerds, let me know down below. But this one is ready to go back to its loving owner and to be useful for many years to come, and we can chalk another easy, quick refurb done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and I and some other decrepit Dyson will see you soon. Bye bye.